Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your instrument cluster in the 2022 Kia Forte. I have in front of me here an EX Plus in Gravity Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head into the instrument cluster, and the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here will help us navigate through. So I like to call this the sheet of paper button. That'll allow us to go sideways. We have the silver button for up and down, and if you push it in, it selects OK. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, try to reduce the glare. So right now, at the top of the screen is giving us an estimated range on this tank of gas. In the top left is letting us know what gear we're in, and it kind of changes as you're going to switch through your gears. And the bottom left is the outside temperature. As soon as it hits 4 degrees Celsius or under, you may see a little snowflake there just to let you know that ice may be possible. Next to that, we have our lane keep and lane follow assist symbols. And then next to that, we have our drive mode symbol. And if it doesn't say what drive mode you're in, whether it's smart or sport, then you're in the most like just normal drive mode. The bottom right is your odometer. Right now, we happen to be on the digital speedometer. So if I were to use the buttons here to pull down, that will take me to the top option there. And we now have a few different trip counters. So we have our drive info, we have our since refueling, and then we have accumulated info. The accumulated info will never reset itself unless you press and hold OK to reset that yourself. And the drive info will just reset itself for the next drive. If I hit the sheet of paper button now, that's going to take us over to the user settings. So under driver assistance is where you can make adjustments to the safety features themselves. And then there's a few other options here for the rest of the vehicle. If I hit the sheet of paper button again, we have our tire pressure monitoring system. As you drive, it's going to let you know each wheel in PSI or whatever your preferred unit is. And it will let you know when one of them gets low so that you can top it up. If I push the sheet of paper button again, this is the lane keep assist screen. And right now, because the lane keep is turned on, the vehicle in the middle is lit up. If I were to turn that feature off with the lane follow, you'll see it kind of goes grayed out to let you know the system's not on. If I go down again, then we have our driver attention warning system as well. And if I hit the sheet of paper button, I'm back to this screen, and it's up to you which one you want to keep it on while you drive. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.